Hi, Emma. You gonna keep quiet now? You're doing so good. Hey, sweetheart. Say hi. Oh, honey. Got the hiccups. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hi. Hi, Emma. Hi.